Hi, I'm Ann Budd, and I'm here to invite you to my 6-session, 8-week class on how to design your own top-down sweater based on the instructions in my book, The Knitter's Handy Book of Top-Down Sweaters. This class will start on Monday, May 8th at 6 p.m. Mountain Time. There'll be 6 2-hour classes, and in those sessions, you will learn how to use your own gauge and your own yarn and your own size to create the sweater that you want. I'm wearing a circular yoke sweater, which is the style that this class will be. This is a wonderful opportunity for design because you can do all your design around the yoke without any interruption by the sleeve seams. And I'll walk you through every step of the way to make a sweater that you want and that fits you.